The Fiji Independent Commission Against Corruption has filed amended information to the charges in the case of the former Fiji Revenue and Customs Service employee Shamim Khan. The former FRCS Chief Ethical Standard Unit Officer and the Director of Intelligence, Compliance and Investigations was charged by FICAC with 1 count each of abuse of office, alternative charge of false information to public servant, and general dishonesty causing a loss. It is alleged that Khan caused the loss of more than $4 million to FRCS. The prosecution from the DPP's office has been ordered to file their written submissions by Monday in the case involving Freesol Real Estate Development. Freesol is charged by the DPP with 2 counts of undertaking unauthorized developments and 1 count of failure to comply with the prohibition notice. For the charge of undertaking unauthorized developments, it is alleged that between June 8, 2017 and December 6, 2018 at Malolo Island in Nandi, Freesol carried out development activity on the dry land at Wadia and the foreshore facing Wadia, and also on the dry land at Galilawa and the foreshore facing Galilawa, which is subject to the Environmental Impact Assessment process without an approved Environment Impact Assessment report. For the charge of failure to comply with the prohibition notice, it is alleged that between the same period, Freesol failed to comply with the prohibition notice issued against the company on June 1, 2018. The trial of a 22-year-old woman who is alleged to have transported 2 minors within Suva to be used to provide sexual services has been fixed by the High Court. Jacqueline Cesenielli is charged with 1 count of domestic trafficking in children. It is alleged that on March 4th last year at Nosinu, Cesenielli organized the transportation of 2 girls aged 16 and 17 from Vesinda to Dombati with the intention that the minors would be used to provide sexual services following the transportation. The High Court in Suva has remanded a Navua man accused of murdering a security officer in 2019. Fabiano Dakai is charged with 1 count of murder. He is alleged to have murdered a 34-year-old security guard Timothy Ndongai of Waindrandra in Navua on February 4, 2019. For full details on these court proceedings, grab a copy of the Fiji Sun or subscribe to the e-edition. Ashna Kumar, Fiji Sun News.